visit different places all over India, or if you have been to a world tour, you must have seen there is variety in plants and animals. But did you ever thought the reason behind this diversity or variety? If not, you will get the answers of this question in this video. So let's start with it. Our earth is spherical in shape, which means it is circular in shape, just the way I have drawn on the page. This earth is divided into various regions based on the latitude and the longitude. You must have studied this earlier in geography, that these lines which goes from the north pole to the south pole are called as longitudinal line, whereas the lines which are parallel to the equator are called as latitudinal line. So the earth is divided into various regions, and these regions are based on the sun rays. Amount of sun rays decides the division of region. So let us first draw the sun. Suppose this is the sun. The sun rays are falling like this. Now, if you look at the rays which are present over here, straight between the sun and the earth, these rays are perpendicular. So, the region where the sun rays is perpendicular can be drawn like this. And this can be named as 23 degree 30 minutes north, which is also called as Tropic of Cancer. And this is also 23 degree 30 minutes south. This is called as Tropic of Capricorn. And this is the equator, which is 0 degree. The sun rays which goes a bit slant makes a different region, which is 66 degree 30 minutes north, 66 degree 30 minutes south. And the last, where the sun rays is very far, it is highly slanted and it is far away, makes a different region, the north pole and the south pole. This region is very hot as the sun rays is perpendicular. Therefore, and this is the region. Now, all the places between this 23 degree 30 minutes north and south of the equator receive perpendicular rays on 2 days in a year. Because of this, those plants and animals which can survive this hot condition or hot weather can survive and adapt here. Now the next region is 66 degree 30 minutes north and south, which is also called as Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle. Now this 66 degree 30 minutes north and south of the equator are also important parallel. This is the region where the daytime lasts less than 24 hours. Then the last one is North Pole and the South Pole. These two poles are very cold. Therefore, the plants and animals which are present in this two region is very different than the plants and animals which are present in the region close to the equator. Therefore, due to the duration and intensity of the sunlight, different temperature zones are formed on the earth. This zone gives rise to pressure belt, and this is the reason why there is variation in the plant and animal life. And that is why we found variety in the plants and animals all over the world. Then there are more important lines on the earth, which are the longitudinal lines. This central line, this 0 degree meridian, is also called as prime meridian and also called as Greenwich meridian. The global standard time, which is also called as GMT, is fixed based on this meridian.